What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes, and welcome back to another 4K episode. Okay, yeah, so it's the same day as we did the tires. But there's something I need to do since I have the car raised already, so we're gonna just make this a small, separate little video for you guys, just so the title does not get confusing and it's more direct, and you guys can just click on one video to watch one subject at a time. So it's like math, go to science, you go to science, you want to learn science and math and science. I don't know, something like that. So what we're gonna do is the 7K H8 Nokia Arctic White Pro halogen light bulb in the fog lights. So I'm gonna upgrade them so they match the headlights. I didn't want yellow this time, even though that's super JDM, but we're gonna go white, just keep that clean look. And let me just show you guys how we're gonna do that. It's a simple install, but let me show you. So what you're gonna do to do the fog lights, so you're gonna raise the car. Both sides are highly recommended. So do two, raise them, put them on jack stands. If you don't have jack stands, just put them on, like, raise it with the jack, put something underneath the car so you can be safe. Be safe, always be safe. So let's get underneath here. This here is where you want to access your fog lights. You're gonna have two tabs you want to take out, 1 and 2, and then you're gonna have 4 bolts. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and then there's 1 back here that you're gonna want to take out. I believe the bolts are all 11s, and use a clip remover to remove that. And we're gonna do that. I'm gonna set you guys up so you guys can see how we do it. So it's a number 11. You're gonna take 1 bolt out, 2. And I want to thank Honda for making this quite easy to do. A lot of the older Hondas, you got to take the whole bumper off, or cut a hole, or something like that. So that comes off, and then clip remover. So for the clip remover, you can use either, obviously, a clip remover, or you can use a flathead, which a flathead looks like is going to be the better option for me. What I like to do is put the flathead in and just kind of turn it a little each way, and then they just come out pretty easy. Once again, oh, if you guys can hear Alex here, put the flat in, turn one way, turn the other, and it comes out pretty easy. So what they say is you have to squeeze this, and then we have that 1 bolt left over here. I was just trying to see if we didn't have to take it out, but I guess we do. And this one. And you can hear my dog, when someone comes over that he knows the exhaust sound, he goes nuts and starts barking like crazy. You can hear that in the background because he hears Alex. And for this, what you're going to want to do is you just got to squeeze it out, so don't be scared. And oh, there's another bolt over here we have to take out also. Looks like it's still holding it back. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 11s and 1 10 to take out. You probably can just reach it like this by just removing it just a bit, so you don't have to take everything out, right? You just bend it, and you don't have to be afraid to bend it. And then the hole, you can reach the bulb, turn it until it comes out. You're gonna turn it to the left, and it is loose. Say hi to YouTube. We're teaching them how to do fog lights.
You're doing that right now?
Yeah. So then you have this 1 bolt here, which you can take out with a 10. The reason I'm taking it out with a 10, or taking it out, I can do it without it and reach my hand in there, but I kind of want to show you guys how to take out this whole thing. But when you guys do, you guys can bend. Don't be afraid to bend this plastic. It is very bendable. Alex was racing, if you guys can hear. Well, that's what's it called there, bud? That's on the private track, right?
Yeah, in Mexico.
In Mexico. So these are the new ones. As you can see, they have a little blue film on them. So I hope they're not too blue. When I bought a blue little film, you see?
Film.
Yeah.
You didn't say that the first
We'll see in the camera. We'll see if I messed up.
Phil.
Fish. So as you see, it has a little blue film. So let's hope that it doesn't look too blue. Alex feels gassed, man.
I do, man.
Oh, I know. But that 2019 AMG,
Yeah.
Alex sticking around 2019 AMG. In his Subaru, guys, Alex says in this, in fall, we can shoot his car. I think he's lying.
It's going to be put away.
Oh, shut your dirty little mouth, you little hamster. Pro tip, guys. So Alex and I have done fog lights a million times, and sometimes we forget to double check them, and we install everything and they don't work. Plug it in, you're gonna double check and make sure everything works. If not, you flip her around, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. Let's see. Oh yeah, bud, they're bright. Looks off like so. It's hard to tell on the camera, but when I bought these were supposed to be exactly the same. That's what I was advised. So these were supposed to be the ones. They do look better, but they don't look as good as they should. But what I think we need to do is I probably have to buy the LED ones to match the headlights because they're LED headlights. These probably match the halogens from the other ones, right? Because I have these headlights here. They look better, they do, but they don't look perfect. So you guys saw how that install was.
No, it's not bad.
It's not horrible.
One,
see,
it
looks better than that, but it doesn't match yet. So I think what we'll do is we'll just install them, put them down, use them for now until maybe we get LED fog lights. Because then the LED fog lights will match. Is there an STI there? Everyone, is that an STI? I guess because the Brembos and stuff. The problem with Alex and his Subaru is he does all his mods and he doesn't let me videotape it. He just kind of does them.
You can record it. It's here.
Yeah, what mod are we gonna do? How to wash your car? First wash.
Yeah, that actually.
Alex's first wash all summer is gonna be today. What we just noticed is my fog light is completely cracked.
That's a fucking
Wow, that sucks. Must have happened recently because I haven't noticed it until we started doing the fog lights. Oh, I gotta go buy a new fog light for this. I guess gotta do the Type R front end. Nah, just kidding. But yeah, that sucks. I gotta go Honda and buy one now. So they do look a lot better than the OEM ones. Unfortunately, the glass is broken on that fog light, which I just noticed now. It must have been a rock or something. But they do look hella good. A lot better. Eventually, I think I'm going to upgrade to the LED ones so they match perfectly, but these do look a lot better. That was a quick and easy install on the fog lights. Unfortunately, I have a broken fog light, which I guess we just found out. Well, I guess it was good that we did the install of the fog lights because we found out that it was broken. So that's unfortunate. Kind of sucks, but very easy to install the fog lights on these cars. Eventually, I'll upgrade to LED ones. I like these ones for now. Then the LED may happen once I fix the fog light because I'm going to have to go underneath there anyway. So just to recap, you're going to raise the car on both sides, and then you're going to have 3 bolts, and you're going to have 2 clips. And once you do that, you pop the plastic down. Don't be afraid to bend it. And then you put your hand up into the hole where the access is to the fog light, and you turn left, and you can take it out, and it's just a pinch. You pinch the clip on the fog light and you remove it and you can put the new ones back in. So the LED ones are probably going to come with the ballasts and stuff. We'll do that afterwards. But that was a quick video of the fog lights. I'm going to get back to installing the wheels on the car. So that, like I said, we had to, separate the videos a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. I hope this helped you. And if it did, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.